In this guide, I'll show you how to add, invite, and play with cross platform friends in Valorant on PS5 or the Xbox Series S or X. So, from the home menu, what you want to do is have a look in the top left corner and see which button you have to press play and to get into this section. Now, you'll see yourself, and what you want to do is scroll over to one of these empty party slots and you want to press A or X on it. Then you can go ahead and input your friend's riot ID and tag. And once you've done that, you want to press start and then go to send invite. Then your friend just has to accept the invite, and once they do, they should automatically join your party here. Now, once you've done that, you can highlight their name and press A or X to pull this option up. And from here, you can make them party leader, kick them from your party, or add them as a friend. So you don't even need to have them as a friend first before adding them to your party, and then you can add them as a friend afterwards. So once your friend's in your party, all you have to do is launch up your game by pressing Y or triangle to start it, and you can customize the settings right here on the left side. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.